Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to split the content in one cell into more than one. Let's get right into it. Let's say we have a column with first names and last names separated by spaces, like the one you see here. We want to split the cells so that we have a column with the first names and one with the last names. The column with the last names will be transferred to the right side, so make sure that there's no important content in this location. And that's the way how we are going to do it. Highlight the column with the names in it. Select Data in the toolbar, and in the drop-down menu you go to Text to Columns and click on it. A pop-up menu will open and you have to select the separator. In our case it's a space. And then you just click on OK. And here we have the result. This is the simplest way to split the content of cells. A detailed description of additional methods, together with a lot of other LibreOffice tutorials, you will find in www.libreofficehelp.com/split-cell-content/. This concludes our short video about how to split up cell contents. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.